1, 2, 3, 4. 자, 레이트. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. 오케이. 자, what sport? Jordan, okay, what sport do you play? What sport do you play? What sport? What sport do you play?
I play with the
I play? Okay, so what sport do you play?
I'm doing
Okay. So what sport do you play?
I play basketball.
Okay. What sport do you play?
I play right.
Okay, I go riding. I go riding. Okay. So for me, in my free time, I do archery. 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 Okay. 자, my younger brother likes go ski. So sometimes in winter I go ski. I go ski. I go ski. Okay. Sometimes I play volleyball. Okay. 자, so please stand up. 자, please stand up. Okay. 자, please count of 2. Okay. 자,
1, 2, 1, 2, 1,
2, 1, 2. Okay. 자, once please forget once. 자, 이거 자, make a circle. 자, 헐붙여. 덜붙여. 조금 하시. 뱅갈 없어. 자, 조금 붙여. 자, 여기로부터. 자, 여기로부터 땡기고부터 덜붙여. 자, 이거 하나 붙여. 자, 이거 들게 왔다. Okay, good job. Okay, so now we will practice the question. What sport do you play? Okay, so please ask.
What sport do you play?
Okay.
I play
Okay, so once I'm asking, once should ask. Okay, that's not. 이거 대호. 손. Okay, sit. start.
What sport do you play?
자, please, when you check, please search the name. 자, 또 touch. 자, 설치. 자, 이거 다 Okay, 자, please ask.
What sport do you play?
Okay, 자, this move. 자, this move. 어이구, 이것도 했지. 자, 이것도 써보라. Please ask.
What sport do you play?
Okay, 자, this move. What sport? 자, this move. What sport?
What sport do you play?
Okay, 자, this move.
Do you play?
What's your favorite?
I go right. So what sport
Do you play?
Zakat, this move again. Zakat. Zakat, we finish talk. You put this now. Zakat, please sit down. Zakat, this count of 4. Zakat, this count of 4. Zakat, 1,
2, 3, 4,
5,
3. Okay, so once this is here. So I'm going to give out to you this. Once, you will flash it. So I'm going to part of running the back. Şirin kaç. Ya. Daha öyle tırar. Öyle tırar. Öyle tırar. Boru geçe. Şirin kaç. Daha durun lan. 자, okay, 자, jeszcze nauczyć, też nauczone. So here is the exercise today to complete with go, play, and do. Okay. So if you have marker today, you can use it today. If you have marker, you can use it. And just write correct answer on the paper, on the paper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 9. Just correct answer. Okay. 자, 쭉 우리 통역치는 거죠. 자, 이제 발마스터 마크를 같이 줬습니다. 자, 지금 하트타 통역치는 거. 자, 내가 민대지 ortodoks가 yaptığı okay. 자, let's start. 아는 게 좋지. 자, please discuss 되네. 자, 한번 연습사 되네. First, second, first, 자, 그럼 다 났었다. 그때랑 같이 하자, 또. 멋있다. 자, 무도 소치, 무도 소치. 자, 치가 있는 게 무도 소치. 아니, 무도 소치. 자, 무도 그때랑 같이 하자, 이제는. 네. 치가 있는 게 무도 자, 목도 그때랑 같이 치시. 자, 오케이. 자, let's check. 자, let's check. 자, 또 다시 하자, 친구들. 자, 손을 위에 세. 오케이, let's check. 자, one. Did you go? Okay, 자, dance yesterday. Okay, 자, two. It's dangerous. 자, go skating on that lake. Okay, 자, three. He likes to play. Okay, good game of chess from time to time. Okay, 자, four. I do. Okay, good job. 자, five. 자, this summer we are going to 자, go swimming every day. Okay. 자, six. 자, likes to 자, do aerobics. 자, since his childhood. Okay. 자, seven. My daughter always needs to 자, my daughter. 자, okay. My daughter always needs to 이때부터 세븐틴은 자, play. 자, play. Okay. 자, eight. He plays football for a local club every weekend. Okay, play. Okay, 자, 9. He goes. 자, sailing every weekend. Okay. 자, so which one is relative? 자, team 4. Okay. 자, team 4 is winner. No mistake. They had no mistake. Okay. 자, okay. Now, so we have to write your teammates. What your teammates play? What sport the group classmates play? So your group. Okay. So for example, she plays tennis. So she goes ski. Okay. 자, 보겠습니다. 형님 스포츠 친구이고. 자, 어때? 자, 내림 붙자가 되네. 내림 붙자가 돼, 진짜. 자, 내림 붙자가 돼. 자, 무토 골반을 붙이지. 무토 골반을 붙이시오. She plays. Group it. 자, 그렇지. 자, multiple plays basketball. 자, multiple plays basketball. Okay, 자, next, 다우슈. 자, 다우슈 plays football. Okay, 자, next, 에렌제야. 자, goes rightly. Okay. 자, group 3. 자, he plays. 자, what does he mean? 자, he plays. 자, next. 자, he does. 자, karate 힘 듣고. 자, 근데 what's your name?
선생님.
자, 호동님 해보. does karate. 오케이. good. He does karate. 자, she plays basketball. What's your name? 율튼. 아, 그 율튼투야 plays basketball. good. 오케이. 자, group 1. group 1 팀에. 자, what's your name? 자, 우리가 plays. 자, basketball. 오케이. 자, 특가.
Plays basketball.
자, 특가 plays basketball. 오케이, 옳지. goes running. Okay, running is very good for your health. Your health. Okay, we should run every morning. Okay. 자, group 2. Okay, 자, 이쪽부터 plays. 자, volleyball. Okay, volleyball. 자, 벤치판. 자, plays chess. 문공운동. 자, 문공운동 plays. 자, volleyball. Okay. 자, very good. 자, is. Okay. 자, in this exercise, 자, you should play, go to play here. 자, and then also should put numbers. Numbers, 자, what is 1? What is 2? You should put numbers. You should write numbers. Okay? 자, энэ formыг бүгд яг аа. За, өөрөө өөрсдөө хийчихлээ. За, энийг яг аа go to play гэдгийг орхон тохиолж чичээд мөн зурган дээр нь яг аа ямар спорт байна гэдгийнхээ номерыг дугаарлаж байна дөө. За, бид энэ спортод хөнгөж чиглэл болсон байна тийм. За. 자, 사슴들이 지나오는 차서 어이들이 밑들에 합성을 쉬어도 어이들이 합성가 돼야지. 밑들에 합성을 쉬어. Athletics means gymnastic. Okay, athletics means gymnastics. Athletics means running. Maybe running, also running. Athletics means. The rugby is team sport. The rugby is a team sport. Rugby is a team sport. Rugby sport is rugby. Okay, so has someone finished? Has someone finished? Okay, so those will please tell me. 자, please stand up. But things without question. 자, one.
I go swimming.
자, two.
Do yoga.
자, do yoga. 오케이. 자, three.
Do gymnastics.
자, four.
Do dance.
Play
Dance.
dance. Play dance. 오케이. 자, five.
Play football.
오케이. 자, six.
Do athletics.
오케이. 자, seven.
Do karate.
eight.
Go surfing.
자, surfing. 자, go surfing.
Play
자, nine. Play.
Play golf.
오케이. 자, ten.
Play basketball.
자, 11.
Do judo.
오케이. 자, 12.
Go hiking.
오케이, good. 자, 13.
Play baseball.
자, 14.
Go skiing.
자, 15.
Go running.
오케이, go running. 오케이. 자, please sit down. 오케이. 자, минут. За надад гэртээ гүйцээгээд бид. За гэртээ гүйцээгээд. За тэгээд өөрийн гурван найзаа мөн ямар спортоор хичээлийг бичиж ирэх шиг бид. Энэ шиг окей. Like this тийм ээ. Окей. Move to play basketball like this. Окей. За өнөөдөр хичээлээ олон баталж өмнөд ойлгож чадав. Яаж чадсан уу? За хичээл